All right, let's talk about the right way to learn insurance adjusting. If you're thinking about becoming an insurance adjuster, education is a huge part of your success, and you need to learn it from the best people. But how you learn matters just as much as what you learn. So this is Daniel the Adjuster. I'm here to help you become the best adjuster. There are countless ways to learn insurance adjusting today. You've got online courses, YouTube videos, carrier certification classes, self-help PDFs, and seminars. Of those, lots can be helpful, but ultimately, hands-on, practical training is the most effective way to learn this career. Insurance adjusting isn't just theory, it's real life, real homes, real damages, real policies, and real deadlines. And that's why Xactimate Training is a critical part of your education. Xactimate is the industry standard in estimating software. It's used by almost every adjuster, most insurance carriers, many remediation contractors, builders, remodelers, and public adjusters. If you can't use it confidently, you will struggle to get work and to perform well in the field. That's why I offer a step-by-step Xactimate training course designed specifically for adjusters who want real-world skills, not just textbook knowledge. You can find it in the link below at my Patreon site. Now, here are 5 reasons why this type of education is critical. Number 1, you learn industry terminology. Understanding policy language, estimates and depreciation, and the scope that is essential to communication with carriers and contractors. It's not just about writing an estimate. You've got to understand what you're doing. Number 2, you understand building materials and construction processes. You must know what you're looking at. Your roofing systems, siding, framing, flooring, and so on, so that your estimates are accurate. You're building some of these repairs from the ground up. You have to know building processes. Number 3, you learn insurance coverage concepts, knowing what's covered, what's not, and how policies apply. This will prevent costly mistakes in your estimate preparation. Number 4, you gain real-life claim experience. Practical training prepares you for what actually happens in the field, not just ideal scenarios. We talk about that a lot in these videos. And number 5, you become efficient with Xactimate. Speed and accuracy in Xactimate directly affects your reputation, your workload, and your potential income. The more familiar you are with this software, the faster you can prepare estimates and also include and implement macros into your estimate. Check out the link in the description for my macros that will help you write faster estimates. So if you're serious about becoming an insurance adjuster, investing in your education that mirrors the real job, gives you hands-on training and Xactimate mastery, this will set you apart from the other adjusters, putting you at the top of the list with the adjusting firms and get you on their rosters. Check out my Xactimate course again at the Patreon link below if you are ready to up your skills. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit the follow button for more content from Daniel the Adjuster, here to make you be the best adjuster.